Chapter 5 Typing with Wordpad. Hi, now we are beginning a new chapter. Typing with Wordpad. You feel excited now? Am I right? Yes, let's start. It's the word processor software which helps us to type things in a computer. Word processor is just like a notebook. The computer helps us to write letters, stories, poems, essays, etc. Word processor is used to create documents with text and pictures. Here we are now discussing a word processor known as Wordpad. Word processor. Friends, this is the software which is used for typing, editing and formatting a document. Nowadays, so many word processing softwares are available. Some of them are Wordpad, Notepad, Microsoft Word, Open Office Writer, PageMaker, CorelDRAW, etc. Word processor allow you to see what you type using the keyboard, so you can check and correct the mistakes before taking a printout. The printing work is done through the printer connected as an output device, about which we have already discussed in one of our earlier chapters. The word processor helps in checking for mistakes in spelling, missing of words, or unwanted characters or words used in a document. These mistakes can be corrected very easily. Wordpad. Wordpad is a simple window. It is available with a Windows operating system which is used to type a text using keyboard and edit it. We can modify it whenever it is necessary. If you could remember now, we have already discussed a word processor, Notepad. Wordpad is more advanced than Notepad. It helps to create and modify text. To start Wordpad, follow these steps. First, click on the Start button. Choose All Programs, then after selecting Accessories, select Wordpad. This is the way to enter into Wordpad. Another way is to open Wordpad is to double-click on Wordpad icon if it is there on the desktop. It is easier if available on the desktop. If it is not available on the desktop, bring it by Send to Desktop option on a right click. A Wordpad window appears as shown in the figure. Now, let's see how the Wordpad performs using keyboard for typing. Please see the picture. Keys on the keyboard are classified into alphabetic keys, numeric keys, special keys, and function keys. We have already studied about alphabetic keys and numeric keys in the earlier classes. Some keys help us to do some special tasks. Those keys may work in combination with other keys also. These are called special keys. Some important special keys are as follows. Enter key. It is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. You can insert a new line in between two which were already typed. Spacebar. It is used to put a space between two words or in between a word. Caps lock key. If pressed once, you can type uppercase letters, and if pressed again, you may type small letters. The same key is used for both. It is situated at the left extreme of the keyboard in the middle row. When you are using the caps lock key, you can see a small indicator light which glows on the right top corner of the keyboard. Now, the caps lock key is in on state. This indicates that now the computer is ready to do typing in uppercase letters. You have noticed some symbols such as @ hash, percentage, star, etc. on the keyboard. Usually, they are placed with the number keys. They are known as special characters. These characters can be typed by pressing the corresponding number key after pressing and holding the shift key. Here, caps lock key has no function at all. Backspace and Delete Key. The backspace key is generally used for erasing. The key is situated at the right side of the keyboard.